So hello my dear friends, there is a big update. You can see that this is the syllabus for economics PG entrance. PG entrance का syllabus है. Hardly this video will of 2 to 3 minutes, so please watch it carefully till end. So many important updates and so many new things I am going to add in this video, so please listen it carefully. People who are looking for admission into JNU, HCU, Delhi School of Economics like DU, Pondicherry University, Central University of Haryana, Punjab, Guru Ghasidas University, so many universities, you must write CUET exam PG entrance. और आपके जो अलग यूनिवर्सिटी हैं which is not under CUET like IGTIR, ISI and Madras School of Economics like 3-4 good institute. So now coming to the syllabus. Syllabus is the core because last year question were directly from 90% from syllabus, 10% extra knowledge you need to have. तो syllabus के जब हम बात करें मोटा मोटी जो है, I will say मोटा मोटी syllabus is almost same. Not almost, even 100% syllabus of keywords is same. There is nothing new things added. If you found anything new, please comment section below. I found syllabus is same. Let us chalo from starting like microeconomics, macroeconomics, money and inflation, then consumption and investment, then you have statistical economics. Keywords are even same for last year 22. So this PDF you can get it from my Telegram link which is just given below. You can join that. And for all this syllabus, entire syllabus, I have launched the course. The course fee is only 2199 rupees. We have just started the course in early March actually. So far 10-11 lectures done. You can join the course and fee is only 1299 rupees. Trust me, you won't get this much affordable education anywhere in the country. And you guys watch the demo classes. Demo classes I have given also. Please contact me at the contact ID winner@gmail.com. This is my email and you can see here. You can contact me at my Telegram Naveen Navneet. Just text me. You can watch the demo lecture and you will get all recorded lectures, live classes, personal guidance, notes, PDF, everything you will get. So you can contact me. It's still almost 80-90 days are left in your exam, so you can still make it guys. तो चलिए मिलता हूँ मैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में. होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो एंड यू प्लीज शेयर दिस अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स सो दैट कि योर फ्रेंड्स शुड ऑल्सो नो कि देर इज ए कोर्स इन ओनली 2199 रुपीज फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन फुल डिटेल्स आई विल बी टीचिंग. फर्स्ट यू वॉच माई डेमो लेक्चर्स. इफ यू लाइक डेमो लेक्चर्स देन यू कैन ज्वाइन द कोर्स एंड कॉन्टैक्ट मी एट टेलीग्राम और ईमेल ID. तो थोड़ा सा कंक्लूड करते हैं. सिलेबस में जो न्यू थिंग है, व्हाट आई फाउंड इन द न्यू थिंग, द ओनली कलर इज लिटिल ग्रीन एंड लिटिल येलो टाइप से, ठीक है, चाय कलर है. और नथिंग न्यू इन द सिलेबस. सेम है आपका. 25 मार्क्स का सेक्शन ए होगा, सेक्शन बी होगा 75 मार्क्स का, -1 मार्क फॉर रॉन्ग आंसर, +4 फॉर करेक्ट आंसर. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम. And now coming to the books and all, for each thing I have made the video already. You please go to the my playlist section, was there CUET PG Economics 23. I have uploaded each and every video in detail guys. So hope you will have enjoyed this video, and if you found this video fruitful, you please subscribe the channel guys. Please share among your friends, क्योंकि syllabus जो है आपका मोटा मोटी वही है. See, there are 7 topics like micro, macro, money, consumption, function, statistical and mathematical economics and Indian economy, and all 7 topics are same. Even I would say कि एक word same है. The least syllabus you can find for international economics, जो कि 2-3 टॉपिक ही पढ़ना है, and growth and development में सिर्फ हेराल्ड डोमर और सोलो मॉडल पढ़ना है. However, I have made one more video on 360-degree analysis of complete syllabus for 23. You please watch that क्योंकि आपका syllabus सेम है. तो गैस चलो, यह वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू ज्वाइन द कोर्स, यू थिंक कि काफ़ी लेस टाइम बचे हैं, आई एम वेरी पुअर, प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट मी, प्लीज़ वॉच माई लेक्चर्स, यू विल डेफिनेटली लव इट गाइज. विल कवर एंटायर सिलेबस फॉर CUET. चलो गाइज, मीट यू इन द next video. See you soon. Bye bye, and please follow the same syllabus as 22 as well as 23. Bye bye guys, all the best.